Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, December 16th, and we'll take a look at what economic news releases we have today. We had the initial jobless claims, came a little bit better than expected. They were expecting a little bit of a rise, but it actually dipped from last week to 420. Housing starts came in a little higher as well. It came in about estimates, but higher than the previous month at 555. Current account balance is a little bit worse, of course. It's 127 billion versus the 123 billion. And then the Philly Fed also showing some good news too. A little steam there, 24.3 versus the prior. So we're showing a little bit of steam. Philadelphia's been showing some activity on the manufacturing side. Right now, the stocks are kind of mixed. The Dow's down, or everybody else is up. So typically, that would be pretty good. That could be a sign that we're near a kind of a correction here. Spain again is the news is that because they're looking at downgrading Spain, that nobody wants to buy their bonds right now because of fear of default. So that's also pretty good news for our bonds, anyways. However, and then on top of that, a friend of mine was sharing this report here, trend rating. It's not something I'm not familiar with this. I'll be frank with you. And basically, what it was showing us that the Dow was basically historically high, overbought position, and he's kind of predicting that perhaps might be a crash coming up soon because this trend rating is showing the Dow at all the other highs. This is historically overbought position, and this is due for a huge correction. So, yeah. So let's take a look here at the bond market. We had this big crash here, and a lot of this had to do with people jumping, a lot of bond traders jumping on the bandwagon where they're trying to sell the bonds, like the PIMCOs and everybody elsewhere. So, as we're going along, like PIMCO and some of the other ones were selling as the government was buying. Now we got to a position where there's oversupply. Not oversupply, but too many people trying to sell and not enough that the government's buying. So we had kind of a big sell-off yesterday. We're starting off today where we're up a little bit, dipped down and kind of going up. So we're down about 3 basis points for the day, but we're higher than where we left off yesterday. This could be a trendward upwards. Again, we're near time, but exactly when we don't have any floor here, so no concrete floor here as to determine if the correction's today, tomorrow, or it could be a couple weeks from now. So there's definitely going to be a correction overdue. The bond market's way oversold. Stock market's overbought. So, you choose for yourself. As a result, rates aren't so good. Have worsened a little bit. So, but again, we'll take a look at it and we'll see how it plays out. But long term, we will be in better shape. We're just waiting for this correction to happen here. All right, folks, have a great day.